And as the world slowly opens up, people are starting to gather. This is a time for celebration, celebrating the world opening up, but also celebrating the taste and sound of summer. This is Samakana Food and Music Festival. What gave you the idea to pursue something like this?
Essentially, it started with the pandemic. You know how so many food vendors have lost their jobs, the food industry has been impacted. So one of the people who have lost their jobs, my husband, who is a professional chef. So we started thinking about what to do. You know, we were scared having one income for a family. That's pretty difficult. So we thought we're gonna cook at home. I posted it in social media, and before we know it, people are ordering. And then I was thinking, it's hard to deliver, you know, going from one place to another, the lockdown. And so I thought, what if I invite a few vendors, and it's gonna be easy for the customers to have a big menu from 6, 7 vendors, and then just gonna go to one pickup location. So it started as that. And then now that everything is opening up, restaurants are opening, we thought like, now we're gonna have events. So this is our first big event.
I love that. And I love that you guys pivoted, right? What has the pandemic taught you?
The bayanihan is really, really like there. All the vendors and the customers, you know, you think like it's the pandemic, they're gonna be so scared to go out. But because they know that so many Filipinos are out of jobs, and these are things that can easily help them get through the pandemic, I really see how it's not just in the Philippines, it's here. The Bayanihan movement is real, and it's refreshing to see it during a crisis.
Right. And now you're having your first big event. What are you looking forward to the most?
Well, I look forward the most is seeing people behind the Facebook accounts, because social media has been our biggest friend during the pandemic. We have known so many new people online, but this is our first big chance to really see them. See the people who have supported us and ordered from us and their families, because before it's just one person picking up for everybody.
Right.
So we are very excited to share an event with them, hang out with them, and not just about business, but camaraderie.
By week, there's different challenges for us. We don't know if there's customers, who's gonna come, how everything will turn out. But eventually, it turns out well, and look at us now. It's like we're here and we're doing this event.
Team no sleep, di ba? Even though na wala tayong tulog, we still serve yung mga food na gusto nating ibenta.
It fulfills not only my passion, but also I get to see and be with my friends.
Because this team is not just, you know, selling money. It's more of you have another family that you built in.
But I know that as an organizer, it's not easy. Or what kind of difficulties did you encounter, and how did you address those?
Well, in the beginning, it was a little bit easy. You know, we started with that tagline, like let's say X number of vendors, one meetup, one menu. We even have all the menus in one flyer. But then as months pass by and it's becoming, you know, more and more popular, vendors are now asking to participate. I'm no longer the one inviting. They're like asking me, can I join? Can I join? Right. And, you know, it was difficult to turn down people. And I guess that's why we're a little bit bigger now, because we just want to be able to help as many people as we can without violating the COVID rules, you know.
Right. So go ahead, invite our viewers. Who should come to your event? I'm thinking families, right?
Yes, friends, families. Samakana Summer Music and Food Festival. It's going to be this Saturday, July 24th from 6 to 9 p.m. at 12120 Strathern Street in North Hollywood. So it's going to be an event full of vendors, food vendors, non-food vendors, and we have Brown Dishon having the mini concert. Please join us. Just people who want to enjoy the community, Filipino food, great Filipino music and just hang out with us.
Are you doing any protocol or any COVID safety measures just in case, we're seeing a spike in the COVID cases still,
Yeah.
and some vaccinated people are now getting it as well, especially the Delta variant. What
Yeah.
kind of COVID safety are you putting in place?
Yeah, the location actually has the sanitizers everywhere that is available to the public. We encourage still to use masks for those who are, not as comfortable. And then, of course, everybody, all the vendors are going to be in masks and, gloves. And we just hope that everybody's still safely distanced from each other.
Right. Can't talk about food without talking about McDonald's, right?
Yeah, I grew up with McDonald's. I love their French fries, and I dip it with their, in their hot fudge. That's my go-to food at McDonald's.
Well, they're having a promo now. It's 2 for $3.50, right? Which means 2 burgers or 2 sandwiches for just $3.50. So sulit siya, right? You can mix and match. You can do the McChicken and the burger. There's the Spicy McChicken as well. What's your favorite sandwich?
That's actually my favorite sandwich.
Maybe because it's spicy.
Not really, but their spicy McChicken is not that crazy. Yeah.
I love the coffee.
And so whether you're craving for something crispy, savory, or spicy, McDonald's has got us covered, right? We can mix and match and choose 2 among the 3 sandwiches that they offer, 2 for $3.50. And it's up to you whether you like the McChicken, McDouble, or hot and spicy McChicken. Yan, sulit na sulit po talaga. And if I were you, I'd take advantage right now.